Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're diving deep into something that's close to all of our hearts, how to live our best lives. Because honestly, isn't that what we all want? To squeeze every ounce of joy and meaning out of this one precious life we have. But here's the thing. It's easy to get caught up in the day-to-day, to let routines turn into ruts, and suddenly we're just going through the motions. So, I want to ask you, and be really honest with yourself, are you truly living the life you want, or are you just going through the motions? If you're ready to break free from those habits holding you back and step into a life that truly lights you up, then buckle up, because we're about to tackle the top 5 life-wasting habits you need to ditch, like yesterday. We've all been there, right? That deadline looming, that project we've been putting off, and suddenly, we're knee-deep in procrastination station. But here's the thing about procrastination. It's not just about laziness, though it can feel that way sometimes. It's often rooted in fear. Fear of failure, fear of success, fear of not being good enough. And when we give in to that fear, we end up delaying our own dreams. Think about it. That trip you've always wanted to take, that business you've dreamed of starting, that conversation you've been meaning to have. Every time we procrastinate, we're essentially telling ourselves, not yet, I'm not ready. Maybe tomorrow. But guess what? Tomorrow is never guaranteed. And all those missed opportunities? They start to pile up, creating a mountain of regret. So how do we break free? Start small. Break down those overwhelming tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. And celebrate each victory along the way. Remember, progress, not perfection, is the name of the game. Don't let procrastination steal your joy, your time, or your dreams. You deserve to live a life full of action, not just intentions. Our thoughts are incredibly powerful. They shape our perceptions, our actions, and ultimately, our reality. So if we're constantly bombarded by negative self-talk, guess what? Life is going to feel pretty bleak. It's like looking at the world through gray-tinted glasses. You miss out on all the vibrancy and beauty that's right in front of you. Negative thinking can seep into every aspect of our lives, from our relationships to our careers. It can sabotage our goals, drain our energy, and leave us feeling defeated before we even start. But here's the good news. We have the power to choose our thoughts. It takes practice, but we can train our brains to focus on the positive, to look for solutions instead of dwelling on problems. Start by becoming aware of your negative thoughts. When you catch yourself spiraling down that rabbit hole of self-doubt, hit the pause button. Challenge those thoughts. Are they really true? Or are they just old tapes playing on repeat? Replace those negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Remember, you are capable, you are worthy, and you are strong enough to overcome any challenge that comes your way. Our bodies are incredible machines, right? They carry us through life, allow us to experience joy and connect with others. But like any machine, our bodies need proper fuel and maintenance. Neglecting our health through poor diet, lack of exercise, and insufficient sleep runs our bodies down. The consequences impact our physical, mental, and emotional health. How can we pursue dreams or be present for loved ones if we're constantly feeling sluggish? It's time to treat our bodies with respect. Fuel your body with nutritious foods. Find an activity you enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine. Prioritize sleep. It's essential for health. Taking care of your body is an act of self-love and a great investment in well-being. We are wired for connection. It's in our DNA. But the quality of our relationships matters just as much as the quantity. Surrounding ourselves with supportive, positive, and uplifting people is like oxygen for the soul. They inspire us, encourage us, and make us want to be the best versions of ourselves. On the flip side, toxic relationships, they're like energy vampires, slowly draining us of our joy, our confidence, and our zest for life. These relationships can take many forms, from the overtly critical friend to the emotionally unavailable partner. And the damage they inflict can be subtle at first, slowly chipping away at our self-esteem until we're left feeling depleted and unsure of ourselves. It's important to remember that you deserve to be surrounded by people who lift you up, who celebrate your wins, and who are there for you through thick and thin. Setting boundaries is crucial. You have the right to say no, to walk away from conversations that leave you feeling drained, and to distance yourself from people who consistently bring you down. Remember, your energy is precious. Protect it fiercely and choose to surround yourself with people who make you feel alive, not depleted. Okay, let's be real. We live in a digital world. Our phones are practically extensions of ourselves. It's easy to get sucked into endless scrolling and notifications. But when we're glued to our screens, we're missing out on real life and meaningful conversations. We're missing out on simply being present. Excessive screen time can lead to problems like eye strain, sleep disturbances, and loneliness. We're more connected than ever, yet feel deeply disconnected. Start by setting limits on your screen time. Designate specific times to check emails and social media. Engage in activities that nourish your soul. Read a book, go for a walk, or have a deep conversation. Reconnect with yourself. Life is happening right now. Don't let it pass you by while you're staring at a screen. So, there you have it. The top 5 life-wasting habits that might be holding you back from living your best life. Remember, ditching these habits isn't about achieving perfection. It's about progress. It's about making conscious choices each day that align with the life you want to create. It's about breaking free from procrastination, cultivating a positive mindset, prioritizing your health, nurturing healthy relationships, and disconnecting from technology to truly connect with yourself and the world around you. Take it one step at a time. Celebrate your wins along the way, and never stop believing in your ability to create a life that truly lights you up. You've got this.